Hi, my name is Mike Reynolds and I'm the lead field service technician for Beckwood. I've been with the company for 3 years. You're gonna know when your press needs servicing by the fact that it's just not acting right. Your parts aren't coming out correct. You would have caught something on your daily checks, your weekly checks, monthly checks. Your oil sampling came back wrong. You've got warning signs on the screen. Those are all indications that you're gonna need service for your press. I think one of the most common maintenance mistakes on a hydraulic press is just skipping the regular maintenance. Your semi-annual, your annual PM, skipping the oil sampling, the filter changes. You're gonna notice sluggish performance. You're not getting the tonnage that you were, you're not getting the cycle times. You're basically taking a short bit of downtime and turning it into what could be a week of lost production. You should keep on hand your most common wear items: hydraulic oil, hoses, filters, diaphragms for the triforms, heater rods and thermocouples for the hot form presses. Basically anything you cannot wait to get shipped in should it go down. I would say the number one PM tip to keep your press running smoothly is oil sampling. With oil sampling, you're gonna get that inside look into the machine that you literally can't get any other way. You'll see things down to the particulate level, how your pump's running, if there's any foreign metals, any water intrusion, and it's gonna help you move from a reactive maintenance to a proactive maintenance and ultimately to a predictive maintenance. The service group's role positively impacts the customer by bringing them back up online, reducing downtime, getting their production and productivity back on track, and giving them little tips and tricks that they can help themselves when we're not there.